Why is the YouTube TV app not working? Let's troubleshoot. If the YouTube TV app isn't working, it could be due to several reasons. Start by checking your internet connection, as a weak or unstable network can cause issues. Restart your device and router to refresh the connection. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can lead to bugs or crashes. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app may also resolve performance problems. If the issue persists, check for service outages by visiting platforms like Down Detector or YouTube TV's support page. Server-side disruptions can temporarily affect functionality. Finally, verify that your subscription is active and your payment details are up to date, as expired accounts can block access. If none of these steps work, contact YouTube TV customer support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.